Dear students, welcome to Divya's Math Solutions. Today we are going to discuss chapter 13 probability exercise 13.2 question number 12. A die is tossed thrice. Find the probability of getting an odd number at least once. So here it is only one die. Dice means what are the numbers over there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Find the probability of getting an odd number at least once. We need to find the probability of getting odd number. Okay, probability of getting an odd number in a single throw of die. If here die is throwing 3 times, the numbers on the dice are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then odd numbers are 1, 3 and 5, right? So in a single throw, how many times we will get the odd numbers? 3 times we will get the odd number. So 3 odd numbers are there, right? What are they? 1, 3, 5. So what are the possible outcomes? Total number of outcomes is 6 and there is a possibility to getting 3 odd numbers, right? So first we can write the probability of getting an odd number in a single throw. Probability of getting an odd number in a single throw. In a single throw of die. Probability of getting a single throw of die equal to how many outcomes? Favorable number of outcomes are 3 divided by total number of outcomes are 6. That means 3 by 6 we can write. Correct. That is equal to 1 by 2. Correct. Next, similarly what we need to, the dice is throwing 3 times. Next we can write the probability of getting an even number is also there, right? If you are getting odd number means the remaining numbers are even number. So the probability of getting an even number also we can write. So the same way probability of getting an even number in a single throw of die. Probability of getting an even number, that is also same, 3 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 2 we can write. Correct. So probability of getting even number. So how many times we will get even numbers? Because we are doing the die is tossing 3 times. So probability of getting even number 3 times means what we need to do? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Correct. Probability of getting even number 3 times equal to 1 time. What is the probability? 1 by 2. 3 times means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. That is equal to 1 by 8. Correct. The probability of getting even number 3 times is 1 by 8. So what we need to, therefore what we can write? Probability of getting an odd number at least, what we need to find? Probability of getting odd number at least 1. So we are going to find that one. So what we can write? Probability of getting odd number at least once. At least once is equal to, how we can write? 1 minus probability of getting odd number in none of the throws. That means probability of getting even number. Correct. So probability of getting odd number at least once is equal to 1 minus probability of getting an odd number in none of the throws. None of the throws means what? Probability of getting an even number. Correct. Probability of getting an even number. That means 1 minus, this should be same as which one? Probability of getting even number. The probability of getting, the probability of not getting odd number means what? Probability of getting even number. If it is odd, either it is odd or even only, right? If it is not odd means what is other probability? Probability of getting even number. That means 1 minus probability of getting even number is how much? 1 by 8. 1 minus 1 by 8. That means 8 minus 1 is 7 by 8. So that is the probability of getting odd number at least once. Next, question number 13. Two balls are drawn at a random with the replacement from a box containing 10 black and 8 red balls. So how many balls are there? 10 black and 8 red balls. This one is doing with the replacement, not without replacement. With the replacement only we are doing. Find the probability of 1 by 1. Both balls are red. So first we need to find the probability of getting both the balls are red. Correct. So what is the total number of balls? Total number of balls, total is 10 plus 8 equal to 18 is the total number of balls. Correct. So first one we can find the probability of getting both are red. Probability, the balls are drawn at random with the replacement. Find the probability that both the balls are red. So probability of getting red ball. Correct. Probability of getting red ball. Red ball, how we can write, how many balls are there? 8 divided by total number is 18. So 8 by 18. That means 4 2s are 8, 9. So 4 by 9 we can write. That is the probability of getting red ball. So how many times we are taking? 2 balls are drawn. Correct. 2 balls are, this is the first draw. Probability of getting red ball on first draw. In the first draw. Then this is doing with the replacement. That means again we are keeping the ball back on the basket. So next draw also we need to write probability of getting the red ball on the second draw. Probability of getting red ball on in second draw. Second draw is equal to this one. How many balls are there? Same thing only, 8 balls. Number of balls are 8. Why it is again 8? Because we are doing with the replacement. That means here we have took 1 ball. Again we will put it in the bracket again. So the number of balls are 8 only. Total number of balls are also 18 only. So what is it? What is that one? That is also 4 by 9. So what we need to find? We need to find the probability of getting both the balls are red. Correct. Probability. Therefore, probability of getting both balls are red equal to 4 by 9 into 4 by 9. That is equal to 16 by 81. That is the probability of getting both the balls are red. Second one, first ball is white and second one is red. So here also we are take 2 balls are drawn. So first ball is black and the second one is red. That probability we are going to find out. Second one, so probability of getting the first black ball. Probability of getting black ball. Probability of getting black ball is equal to how much? How many black balls are there? 10 divided by total number of balls are 18. 10 by 18. That is 5 by 9 we can write. Next, probability of getting which one? Red ball. Probability of getting in second row will get a red ball. So probability of getting red ball. The black ball we are getting on the first row. Next we need to write the probability of getting the red ball on the second row is equal to how many balls are there? 8 by 18. 8 by 18 is equal to 4 by 9. Correct. Now we can find the probability of getting first black and second red. Therefore, probability of getting first ball is black and second is red is equal to 5 by 9 into 4 by 9. That is equal to 20 by 81. 20 by 81 is the answer. Then third part. Third part is one of them is black and the other one is red. One ball is black and the other one is red. That probability we are going to find out. That means the probability of getting the first one we can take it as red. So probability of getting red. Probability of getting first ball as red is equal to number of red balls are 8 by total is 18. 8 by 18 is 4 by 9. Here we are doing the ball is doing with the replacement only, right? So what we need to do, the ball is we replaced with the first draw. So what is the probability of getting the black one? Black one is 10 by 18. Correct. Probability of getting black. Probability of getting black is 10 by 18. That is 10 by 18 is equal to 5 by 9. Correct. So what we need to find, therefore the probability of getting the first ball is black and second one is red means how we can do the same way. Just we need to multiply. Therefore probability the same thing. Probability of getting first black and second red equal to 4 by 9 into 5 by 9 equal to 20 by 81. This is the probability of getting first one is black and second one is red. So what we need to find? The probability that one of them is black and other one is red. So here is two conditions there. Probability of getting first one is black and second one is red. Then probability of getting the first one is black and the second one is probability of getting first one is black and second one is red is 20 by 81. The same way, the probability of getting first one is red and second one is black is also what? 20 by 81. So that together only, that is a probability of one of them is black and one of them is red, means that two probabilities are there, right? So that one we can write it as. Therefore, the question, therefore the probability of getting one of them is black and other is red equal to, we should write this statement, probability of getting first one is black and second one is red plus probability of getting first one is red plus second one is black equal to, what is the answer? 20 by 81 plus 20 by 81. That means 40 by 81 is the answer. Question number 14. Probability of solving specific problem independently by A and B are 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 respectively. That means probability of solving the problem independently A and B. That means probability of A, P of A is equal to 1 by 2 and P of B equal to 1 by 3. This is probability of solving the problem A and this is a probability of solving the problem B. If both try to solve the problem independently, find the probability that, what we need to find out first one, the problem is solved. First we are going to find the problem is solved. That means we are going to find the union, correct? The probability that the problem is solved means P of A union B we are going to find out. So what is the answer? P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B, correct? So P of A union B is equal to P of A is 1 by 2 plus P of B is 1 by 3 minus P of A intersection B. Here it is given, these are independent events. So what is the equation for P of A intersection B? P of A into P of B, correct? So this is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus P of A is 1 by 2 into 1 by 3, correct? So this is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6. 3 into 2 is 6. So what is LCM over here? Here the LCM is 6. So 3 plus 2 minus 1. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 by 6. 4 by 6, that means 2 by 3. So the probability of getting, the probability of the problem is solved is 2 by 3. Answer. Next one, second part of the question. Exactly, find the probability of exactly one of them solve the problem. Exact, that means only one, either A or B is solving the problem. If A is solving the problem means B is not solving, correct? If B is solving means A is not solving. So how we can write the probability of exactly one of them solve the problem is equal to, that means if A is solving the problem means B is not solving. That means how I can write P of A and P of B dash, that means B is not solving, plus if B is solving means what happened? A is not able to solve the problem. That means P of A dash I can write, correct? So first we can find the value of P of B dash and P of A dash. So P of probability of B dash. Probability of B dash means how I can write 1 minus probability of B, correct? That means 1 minus probability of B is 1 by 3. That means 2 by 3. Next probability of A complement. A complement means 1 minus probability of A. That means 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. So now we can substitute the value over here. This one I am keeping in equation number 1. So equation number 1 becomes, you need to write the probability of getting one of them solve the problem is equal to P of A. That is 1 by 2 into P of B dash is 2 by 3 plus P of B is 1 by 2. P of A dash is 1 by 2. So this is equal to, Here 2 and 2 will cancel. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. 1 by 3 plus here 1 P of B is 1 by 3. P of B is 1 by 3. P of A complement is 1 by 2. So 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 6. 1 by 6. So 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 by 6 into 3 is 18. So 3 3s are 9. 6 3s are 18. Again 1 by 2. 3 is table. 3 3s are 9. 6 3s are 18. Okay. 1 by 2. So the probability of exactly one of them solve the problem is equal to 1 by 2. We can write answer. Next question number 15. Question number 15. One card is drawn at a random from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. So there are 52 cards are there. Total number of cards are 52. In which of the following cases are the events E and F are independent? So here they are given so many events. So we need to check in which case these E and F are independent. Okay. First one. The first case is E. The card drawn is a spade. F. The card drawn in an ace. Okay. So there are given 52 cards. Correct. So the how many cards are spades and how many cards are ace? 13 cards are spades and 4 cards are ace. Correct. In 52 cards, 13 cards are spades and 4 cards are ace. Right. Aces. Aces we can write. So first one is the E. The card is drawn is a spade. First one, the card drawn is a spade. So we can write probability of E, right? So how many spades are there? 13 spades are there. That means 13 divided by total number. Total number of the sample space is 52. The favorable outcome is 13. So P of E is 13 by 52 we can write. That means 13 fours are 52. So 1 by 4 we can write. Next F. What is the F it is given? F is the card drawn is an ace. The card drawn is an ace. So we can write the probability of F. Probability of F means the card drawn is an ace. So how many cards are ace? 4 by total number of outcomes are 52. 4 by 52. Again 13 fours are 52. So 1 by 13. That is the probability of the card drawn is ace. So what we need to check? We need to check this E and F are independent or not. So how we will check the independency? If P of E intersection B, answer is P of E into P of F means what we can say? These two events are independent. Correct. So we can find P of E intersection F. So in the deck of cards, only one card is an ace or spade, right? So how we can write the E intersection F? Here the card is drawn is a what is the condition? In which of the four? Okay, the card is drawn as spade and the card is drawn as an ace. So from these 52 cards, there is only one card, correct, is an ace or spade. With the ace or spade means only one card is there. So what is the probability? Probability is 1 by 52. Why we will get this answer? Because in a well shuffled 52 cards, there is only one card. There is only one card is an ace of spade. So how that's why we will write the probability of A intersection B is equal to 1 by 52. So next we can find the value of P of E into P of F. Probability of E into probability of F. Probability of E is 1 by 4. Probability of F is 1 by 13. That is equal to 1. 13 fours are 52. So this is same as which one? P of E intersection F, right? Equal to P of E intersection F. That means P of A into P of F is equal to P of A intersection F means what? This E and F are independent events, correct? Here P of E intersection F is equal to P of E into P of F. Therefore, E and F are independent events. Independent events. Answer. Second part. E, the event E is the card drawn is black. F, the card drawn is king, right? So the total number of cards are 52. In 52 cards, how many blacks, how many red? 26 are black and 26 are red, right? Number of black cards are 15 and number of 26 and number of red cards also 26, correct? So first one is probability. That is, here we can write the probability of the card drawn is black. The probability of the card drawn is black is, how many black cards are there? 26 divided by total number. Total number is 52. 26 into 2 is 52. That is the probability is 1 by 2. Next, F. The event F means the card drawn is a king. So how many kings are there? In the card has how many kings? 4 kings are there, correct? So probability of F. Total number of kings are 4 kings. The cards have 4 kings, right? So probability of F is equal to 4 by 52. 13 fourths. That means 1 by 13. So the probability of the card drawn is king is 1 by 13. So again what we need to check? We need to check the events E and F are independent or not, correct? So first we need to write the P of E intersection F. P of E intersection F. P of E intersection F means here how many cards are there? Total number of cards are 52. 2 cards are black as well as king, right? So here we are selecting the card drawn is black and the card drawn is king. So how many kings in black? Here 2 kings in the black, right? So how we can have the probability? P of E intersection F is equal to 2 by 52. 2 by 52 means 2 2 6 1 by 26. Why we are writing like this means 2 cards are black as well as king, right? In 52 cards, 2 are black as well as king, right? Or in a this one there is only 2 kings in the black set. So 2 by 50, that is 1 by 26. So we are verifying. That means we are going to find the value of P of E into P of F. So P of E is 1 by 2 into P of F is 1 by 13. That is 1 by 26. That is equal to what? P of E intersection F. So what we can write here? P of E intersection F is equal to P of E into P of F. So what we can conclude? Therefore, the given events E and F are independent. Therefore, E and F are independent events. Next, third condition. First one is the card drawn is a king or a queen. That is the first condition, right? So the first condition E, the card drawn is a king or queen, and F is given as the card drawn is queen or jack. That the 2 events are given. So here we are going to write the probability. So the number of cards are 52. So first one, the card drawn is a king or queen. So how many in 52 cards? Total number of cards are 52. So in 52 cards, how many kings are there? 4 kings, right? 4 kings, 4 queens also. 4 kings and 4 queens are there. So here it is given the card drawn is king or queen. Then the card drawn is queen or jack. Then how many jacks are there? 4 jacks are also there, right? 4 jack. That means 4 king, 4 queen and 4 jack is there. So first we can write the probability of E. Probability of E. The card drawn is a king or queen. So how many kings are there? Or means we need to add, right? So kings are 4 kings and 4 queens. That is, what is the total number? 8. 8 by 52. 8 by 52 means 4 stable. 4 2s are 8. So 2, 13. 13 4s are 50. So 2 by 13 is the probability. Next, F. F is the card drawn is a queen or jack. So how many queens? 4 queens, 4 jacks. Together means how many is there? 8. So the probability of F is the card drawn is king or jack. So how many queens are there? 4 queens and 4 jacks. All means we need to add together. Then 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 by 52. 8 by 52 is how much? 2 by 13. Correct. So next we need to verify these two events, this E and F are independent or not. Correct. So what is the given? The four cards which are king or queen or jack, right? So here we need to take king or queen. Here we need to draw queen or jack. Correct. So P of E intersection F. P of E intersection F means the card drawn is king or queen is how much is there? 8 by 52. The next one is how much? Queen or jack. Queen or jack is also how much? 8 by 52. So from these four cards which are king or queen and queen or jack is how much is there? Only 8 by 52, right? 8 by 52. 8 by 52 means 1 by 13. So we can verify P of E into P of F. P of E is 2 by 13 and P of F is also 2 by 13. So 2 by 13, that is, this is not equal to, that is 4 by is coming, right? 169, that is not equal to which one? P of E intersection F. Here what we can write? P of E intersection F is not equal to P of E into P of F. That means the given events E and F are independent, not independent. Therefore, E and F are not independent. The given events E and F are not independent. We can write answer. Question number 16. In a hostel, 60% of the students read Hindi newspaper. So Hindi newspaper reading 60% of the students and 40% read English newspaper. 40% of students read English newspaper and 20% read both English and Hindi. Hindi and English is 20%. Correct. So a student is selected random. That means we are selecting randomly one student. First we need to find the probability that she reads neither Hindi nor English. So this probability of reading Hindi newspaper, P of H we can write. Correct. P of H is equal to 60% means 60 by 100. 0, 0 cancel. 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. 3 by 5. Then probability of the student reading English newspaper is equal to 40%, that is 40 by 100. 0, 0 cancel. 2 by 5. Probability of the student read both Hindi and English. That means H intersection E equal to 20 by 100. So 1 by 5. So first we need to find, the first part of the question is we need to find the probability that she reads neither Hindi nor English. So not able to read Hindi and English, right? That means P of H in neither nor, right? That means union only, right? H of H union E the whole complement. That means neither only. Neither not able to read Hindi nor English. So P of H union E the whole complement. So how we can write 1 minus P of H union E we can write. That means P dash A means what? 1 minus P of A only, right? So P of H union A complement is equal to 1 minus P of H union E. Again we don't know the value of H union E, right? So there we can apply the equation, that is 1 minus P of A plus P of B minus P of H intersection E. Here we can substitute the values, that is equal to 1 minus P of, so here not AB, here H, P of H, P of E, H intersection E. Okay. So P of H is 3 by 5, P of E is 2 by 5 and intersection value is 1 by 5. Denominator is same, so we can add the numerator. So 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 by 5. That is 1 by 5. 5 into 1 is 5, 5 minus 4 is 1, 1 by 5. So that is the probability that student neither Hindi nor English newspaper, not able to read Hindi and English. That is the answer. So next part is, if she read Hindi newspaper, find the probability that she reads English newspaper, right? So what is the condition? If she read Hindi newspaper is the condition, we need to find the probability of English newspaper. That means probability of reading English newspaper. Condition is if she read Hindi newspaper. So P of E upon H only we are going to find out. Correct. That means P of E intersection H divided by P of H. P of E intersection H is 1 by 5 by P of H. P of H is 3 by 5. Correct. So this 5 cancel. What is the probability? 1 by 3 is the answer. Next, C. If she reads English newspaper, find the probability that she reads Hindi newspaper. That is, condition is, here the condition is, if she reads English newspaper, we need to find the probability of she read Hindi newspaper. Condition is English newspaper. If she read English newspaper. So, probability of H upon E by P of E. So, intersection value is 1 by 5 by P of E is 2 by 5. 5 cancel. The answer is 1 by 2. Next, question number 17. The probability of obtaining an even prime number on each die when a pair of dice is rolled. So, there are 2 dice are there. So, what are the numbers on the die? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? So, we need to get a even prime number. So, what is the even prime number on the die? 2 is the even prime number. So, that pair we can write it as how we can write the pair. In the first die you will get a 2. On the second die also you will get a 2, right? That is only one pair is there, correct? So, when a pair of dice is rolled, we will get the pair. In the first die also will get a 2. On the second die also will get a 2. So, how many outcomes are there? Only one outcome. So, total number of outcomes are 2 dice are rolling means what is the total number of outcomes? 6 into 6 is 36. That means 1 by total number of outcomes. That is the favorable outcome is 1 by total number of outcomes is 36. So, 1 by 36. 1 by 36 means option D. Option D is the correct answer. Next, 18. Question number 18. Two events A and B will be independent. Here it is given A and B are independent. If which option is correct, we need to select. A and B are mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive means what? Intersection value, correct? A intersection B. A intersection value is a null value, right? So if you are taking probability of A intersection means what we will get? Probability of A intersection B is also 0 only, correct? Here, then what is the, which one? Independent events means what is the answer for P of A intersection B? P of A into P of B. If you are taking two values for A and B means, suppose you are taking P of A equal to A or P of B equal to B means, that some value is there. So, if you multiply means that value won't equal to 0, correct? So, this option is not correct. If you are mutually exclusive means what? Intersection value is 0 only. But this P of A and P of B have some value means this is not, this condition is not satisfying. Which is a condition? Probability of A intersection B equal to P of A into P of B. This is not satisfying for mutually exclusive events, correct? So, option A is incorrect. Next one. Option B. P of A dash intersection B dash is equal to, one answer is given. So, that one we can verify. P of A dash intersection B dash. So, probability of A dash intersection B dash means how I can write? 1 minus probability of A into 1 minus probability of B I can write, correct? Intersection means probability of A dash means 1 minus P of A. Probability of B dash means 1 minus P of B only, right? The complement means P of A dash complement means 1 minus P of A. Probability of B dash complement means 1 minus P of B also we can write, correct? So, this one we can write it as, we can just open the bracket. 1 minus 1 into 1 is 1. Then probability of A into, sorry, 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into P of B is P of B. Minus probability of A into 1 is probability of A. Minus minus plus is probability of A into probability of B, correct? So, 1 minus probability of B. This is probability of A plus probability of A into probability of B, correct? So, this one what we can do means, next this one P of A intersection B complement. So, this one how I can write? A union B, the whole complement I can write, correct? P of A union B, the whole complement I can write. So, this is equal to 1 minus P of A union B also I can write. This is equal to 1 minus P of A minus P of B plus P of A into P of B. Correct. So this 1 we are shifting to this side means 1 minus 1 is 0. So this 1 we can cancel. So P of A union, this minus value I am shifting to this side means this become plus, right? P of A union B equal to this, all the minus I am shifting to this side means P of A plus P of B minus P of A into P of B we can write. So P of A plus P of B, this one I am shifting, this one means P of A union B I can write, correct. So P of A plus P of B minus P of A union B. This one I am shifting to this side. This whole term I am shifting to that side means this become plus P of A into P of B. So P of A plus P of B minus P of A union B is what? P of A intersection B only, right? P of A intersection B. P of A intersection B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A union B. Correct. This is equal to P of A into P of B. This is a condition for which one? Independent events. So that means this option is correct only. That means option B is the correct answer.